Your gross is $240,000 a year. Is that correct?
Because 210 to 215 laundry plus the store 24,000. That's more than that roughly. But
Steve, I'm
more
only interested in the coin laundry, not the other tenants or the bank or anything else. So you're telling me that you're grossing approximately $240,000 a year.
Yeah.
And what's your net?
Then it's the way we calculate on 135. She was saying, but I haven't done any calculation myself. The way the agent was calculating, how she calculated.
Why would I buy a business if you don't have any calculations?
Well,
Steve, my name's Danny. I'm looking at leasing some space over here on.
What space you need it, right? Yeah, but what space? How much space you need it?
There's
you need office or what do you need?
Are you one of the partners? Do you own the building, or you work for the landlord?
Well, you want some property there, but which one you need? You need the corner one to use the empty line?
I'm interested in the laundry.
I'm interested in the business, the property I lease it.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. You own the building.
I'm part of the owners of the building. My son owns it, but I'm looking after it.
I'm in the laundry business. I've got a few stores in 3 provinces. I'm always looking for space with infrastructure. So what type of lease can you offer for the next 15 years?
I don't get it. I have a laundry, double store for sale as the business.
Yeah, I'm aware that it's a laundromat. Yes, sir. You're saying you want to sell the business?
Yeah, the business is for sale. But if you
okay.
want to buy the whole plaza is for sale too, but I'm not sure my son with his partner, how much, what they want, what they do. There's 3 pieces of them. So that's together part of it. So I'm not sure, exactly.
The plaza. All right, for obvious reasons, I'm not purchasing property currently. What's your sale price for the laundromat?
Sale price is about $5.59, and I'm doing
$5.59 Canadian. Stop! I can do $6.
$556,000 asking for the business.
Sure.
$559.
$559,000. And where did you arrive at that price?
Well, the price wasn't going to rock because I'm making 4.5 a week, and my equipment majority is new. It's about 5-6 years old.
I retool my stores every 7 years.
Well, it cost me. I got it in 20 when the COVID wasn't. Then help me. I paid $380 for the machines, and I paid $150 mechanical. It used to be Maytag store, because then I made it to Laundromat. Electrolock, and
let's pretend that I own 36 laundromats. Let's pretend that I know what I'm doing. So you have 6-year-old equipment. I'm looking at 25-year-old equipment. I don't know if we're talking about the same store. Your change machine is on a Monument, and you've got
machinery is still the same laundry. Are you nearby?
No,
Are you close to the laundry?
No, not at the moment. We don't need to meet in person if we're not close. So I'm supposed to give you $559,000 and then let you become the landlord, right? So I do that. What's your lease rate?
The lease right now is 4 more years at $7,108 and 2 5-year options.
Well, I'd need to sign. That's 14, not 15. 4 more years, $7K plus. What's the square footage?
2,100 and something, a little over 2,100.
2,100 square feet. You mentioned something about income. What is the current income?
I read portion of the store in the front of it. I prepared it for wash and fold, and after came up, a gentleman came to do like a money mart trade, and I rented portion of that 2,000. And 3 years was an expired 2 years ago.
Okay, Steve, you're talking about, you're the landlord. I'm not the landlord, so I'm not going to be renting additional space to a wash, dry, fold, or a money mart. You mentioned a figure. How much is the laundromat earning?
The laundromat is earning $4,500 a week.
$4,500 in coin. And you have bank records to prove that.
You have to wash the place. I dismantled the money all over because I have other bills, but you can stay, wash the place at the check at 2 weeks, 1 week, no problem.
I'm supposed to watch the place to
No, like we can count it every couple of days the money, every day, 2 days. whatever you want. Because right now it's not much. Who knows in the later on, you know. I went even more than that earlier, year and a half ago.
Okay, but
Last
what I'm
year went
asking
down,
is a very simple question. If I'm going to buy a business, you're depositing $4,500 a week in cash.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
Okay, so now I can see your bank records.
But I deposit all over. It's not only one account. I'm all over. I pay a lot of bills cash too, so that's why.
He's lying. He's a complete liar.
The best thing is watch the place.
Which
Nothing
bills?
I can-
What bill would you pay in cash? I'd love to know that. I can't pay my bills in cash.
No, I pay even my own bills. Okay, I have my own bills. I pay cash. You can watch the place. I'm making that much. You are making 2,000 on the rent. Is based on the store rent is actually the owner of the laundry responsible to the landlord, and it's $2,000 less.
I thought you were the landlord.
The landlord, no, it's my son with a partner, and I'm only signing officers for him on things. Like
Your
that,
son
myself. And my son.
with a
My
partner.
son, yeah. Now they're in process selling the plaza. For the last year and a half, they try on the market. They had some offers.
I'm looking at the same
And,
store. I just want to make sure, because you said you've got new equipment. Your tumblers are old, your machinery, you've got some blue fronts, some cream fronts. I mean, this.
Listen, I have a 14 washer Electrolux and 7 dryer Electrolux.
But
50
listen,
pounds.
listen. We're talking about two separate things. If I'm purchasing a business based on equipment, then that is a fire sale. If I'm purchasing a business based on the income, you don't have any records to prove income. One more question. Are you allocating rent to yourself? Are you paying $7,000 a month in rent?
Yes.
Okay. So you're
I pay rent,
you're
7,000.
4,500, right? 4,500 a week.
And I'm collecting 2,000 on the top of it a month from the portion of that wash and fold space.
So you lease out the wash and fold.
The lease out is made to an office, to a bank, like a money market.
But that lease,
almost 4 years.
that lease is expired.
Expired because I'm trying to sell, because sometimes the agent told me all people want to do
Okay,
wash and fold.
so
and I
Steve,
need it.
why are we talking
Yeah.
about an expired lease as though it's going to be my income? That income goes away. That's no longer income. Are you including that in the 4,500?
No, that's plus. That's plus.
So let me see if this. Let me see if this makes sense.
I'm going to approach him. You want to sign a lease? I'm going to ask you. If you want to sign lease, up to him. You want to take him on a monthly basis, up to you. But I'm not going to kick out, because I'll leave it option to the new buyer or whatever the buyer decided to do.
Mm-hmm. So $559,000. I'm allocating $7,000 a month in rent. $4,500 is your gross. That's what you're bringing in every week, right?
Yeah.
What's your net?
The rent comes
What are you netting?
5,000, around 110, 135, that bracket.
How much are you netting?
Around 135, 130, 35.
I don't understand what you're telling me. You're bringing in $4,500 a week in coin. How much are you netting a week?
I haven't decided made it for per week, never plan. A total at the end of the year, I have that 110 to 135.
How much are you netting a
and,
week after you pay your bills and your lease rate of $7,000 a month?
I haven't calculated that, to be honest.
You don't calculate that.
I haven't calculated that. No, I give the bills to the agent, the rent of the place, the income of the
well, how do you okay, so you're trying to give me a figure for, okay, you keep saying 135, so you're saying that you're grossing 135,000 a year?
No, it's about 240.
Your gross is 240,000 a year.
240 something.
Is that correct?
Because 210 to 215 the laundry, plus the store 24,000. That's more than that, roughly. But
Steve, I'm
money.
only interested in the coin laundry, not the other tenants or the bank or anything else. So you're telling me that you're grossing approximately $240,000 a year.
Yeah.
And what's your net?
Then it's the way we calculate on 135. She was saying, but I haven't done any calculation myself. The way the agent was calculating. How she calculates.
Why would I buy a business if you don't have any calculations?
She has all those paperwork, everything. She has the lease, she has the utility bills. I had so many offers too, man. I don't know how many laundry you have, whatever, but I did have offers for $550 a couple of times.
You had an offer for $550 a couple of times.
He's definitely a smoothie.
I had 3-4 offers for $550 more, because last year I had a $550, and I spent another $50,000. I
Okay.
spend another
Next time
50,000.
someone,
they delayed it.
Steve, next time someone dumb enough to give you $550,000 for this failing laundromat, take it.
Listen, myself,
I'm not the guy, Steve.
Based on,
Steve, I'm not the guy.
no, don't worry.
Let's say you're telling the truth and you're grossing $240,000 a year, okay? Your net can't possibly be $135. Impossible. Unless you're not paying any bills. I know that.
No, I paid the bill. Something.
Okay.
I paid
Next time
the
someone
bill,
offers
the
you
bill.
$50,000, take it and become the landlord. I wish you luck.
Thank you.
I know these numbers aren't correct. None of them are correct.
No. The gross sales I went in.
The girl.
More, my friend.
How much
I just
you're
don't
saying
have time
your
to look after
accountant?
them all.
How much do you deposit every month from the coin laundry?
18,000 plus. For basically 18,000.
That's exactly $4,500. $18,000.
80 to 20.
How come when
18
I
to
go into
20,
this laundromat, there's
deposit.
never anyone in there? Where's that money coming from?
It's for the laundry. It's 24 hours it is. I'm only keeping 24 hours because I'm trying to sell. If I don't sell, I won't keep it in 24 hours, to tell you the truth.
But you say it's 24 hours. I never see anyone in there. I was there on Sunday. There was not a single soul in there.
Sunday, Sunday, the snow was Sunday. Still not very few people came. Plaza never cleaned properly too on Sunday.
I must have missed everybody. All right, buddy.
Listen.
Yep.
It's not much. I went up to 6,000 in there. No, last year before in there.
But you told me you don't have you can't show me the deposit.
If I put in one account, I can show you the deposit, to tell you the truth.
Now you're telling me the truth. What?
If I put the deposit in one account, which is the laundry account, then there's no problem to showing the deposit.
Okay, well maybe you should do that if you want to sell a business to a real business person. All right, buddy.
I was told.
Thanks.
Well, no problem. Thank you, sir.
What a joker.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.